All right, welcome to this weather alert. It's 2:30 on the 17th of July, and we are tracking severe thunderstorms. Right now, there is one over eastern Essex County, heading into Union County, New Jersey. This one might be affecting Manhattan. There's another smaller cell that is over this area right here, over like I guess right over the Verrazano Bridge. Um, let's look at the latest with these severe thunderstorms. So you can see we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for our area as well. Let's see, does it list Nassau County? It does. Does not list Suffolk County, but it lists Nassau County. So severe thunderstorm watch in effect for our area, and this is until 11 p.m. tonight. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for this storm right here. This storm, so 2:45 p.m. For Hudson, Northeastern Union, South Central Bergen, Southeastern Essex, and Manhattan County. Severe thunderstorm is located over Newark, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. They're saying 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts with hail possible with this storm. So that is what is going on right now. We can look at the lightning, see if this is producing a lot of lightning. And yeah, oh, it sure is. There it is. So there's the storm right there. You can see it's over. It's not even over Manhattan right now. It's over New Jersey. The thing is, the motion is southwest and northeast, so I don't think this affects us here on Long Island. We'll go ahead and look at this radar as well. Get this to load here. You can see there's the storm, and let's see. You can see its movements here. That southwest to northeast movement generally keeping it away from Long Island, but there is another cell over here. This one's kind of weakened now a little bit. But we're going to have to watch. We may see some of this activity move into our area as well within the next hour. So we'll have to see. But right now, the motion seems to take it a little more away from Long Island at this point. Not really toward Long Island, mostly away at this point. So we'll have to see what happens. But generally, if you, any parts of Long Island that would be affected would be extreme northern Queens and maybe Great Neck or something. But right now, this activity appears to be moving away from us, or at least I wouldn't say moving away from us, but not moving toward us. It's in that southwest and northeast motion, which doesn't really favor Long Island very well. Here's the satellite. You can see those storms blossoming up quite nicely. You can actually see what looks like a sea breeze front over New Jersey here. So that's kind of interesting right there. Let's look at our current conditions right now as far as observations go and temperatures. Generally in the upper 80s, a little cooler on the South Shore. We can actually see if we can get some observations from within this thunderstorm, and we can see there are some wind gusts here. 31-mile-an-hour wind gust here at Newark International. 28-mile-an-hour wind gust at Robbins Reef. Temperatures have dropped, obviously, with that thunderstorm in the vicinity. But for our area, we're dealing with upper 80s here in the middle of the island. If you're on the South Shore, you're in the low 80s. 80 degrees in Merrick, but 2.76, so still very humid out there. Go further out east, Farmingdale's 84 with a dew point of 75. That's just really, really humid. Even if you're on the South Shore, the humidity is stifling. 84 at, let me put these dew points in here. 84, dew point of 77. So it's 84 with a dew point of 77 at Islip. That is extremely humid. This might be even more humid than Florida at this point. So really just extreme humidity out there. 82 with a dew point of 75. And that's why these thunderstorms, the environment for these thunderstorms is really very favorable right now. And you can see there's a wind gust of 21 miles an hour at Kings Point right there. And then if we look at Jersey, where it's probably in the 90s, yep, low 90s there. Let's see what we got in Toms River. Yep, 90 degrees at Lakehurst, dew point 72. 90 with a dew point of 75. There's one station that's reading 78. So I'm wondering if there's a shower over here, because I noticed some lower temperatures here. So maybe a shower over here, and some wind gusts too with this shower. So I see a 26-mile-an-hour wind gust. So we're seeing the atmosphere react to these conditions that we're dealing with right now. But you can see where it isn't raining. Temperatures well into the mid-90s, especially once you go in further into New Jersey. And, of course, we'll go over those high temperatures later. But, again, we can look at this, too, our wonder map here, and show you this. And You can see all the current temperatures here. Still upper 80s in the middle of the island. If you're on the South Shore, really not all that much better. Mid to upper 80s, so not really any relief anywhere from this heat today, except in air conditioning. It's pretty oppressive again today. But this is the end of it after today, and these thunderstorms will bring the end to it. So that is going to wrap up this update, and we'll have more later, and we'll see what happens. But again, be prepared for possible severe thunderstorms over, at least they have it for Nassau County, not over Suffolk, which again is because of the way this is all set up. You can see the movement from the southwest to the northeast. Doesn't really favor severe weather on Long Island too much, but there's still the chance. So so just pay attention to the radar and have a great day.